Welcome back. Officials of a security agency which supplies guard were caught red-handed by police and income tax personnel for reportedly distributing over rupees 12 lakh worth of old rupees 500 and 1000 notes to their personnel posted at AIIMS Rishikesh. The two employees of the firm, Ajay Singh and Kundan Kumar, arrived in a car from Delhi. The two had distributed around rupees 3 lakh salary and were handing over the salary to security personnel at gate when the police team arrived. Scientists of Vidya Institute are digging hills in Ramnagar, Tanakpur and Laldang for research work. Scientists claim that these hills came into existence after earthquakes, so they are digging the root of hills to get carbon. And that carbon will be used to get information regarding past earthquakes. Scientists also said that this will help in forecasting earthquakes.
यहाँ पे हम लोग ये पता कर रहे हैं जो पहली अर्थक्वेक जो पुराना जो भूकंप है मतलब बहुत बड़ा भूकंप है जैसे अंडमान में आता है जैसे सुमात्रा रीजन में आता है बड़ा 8 मैग्नीट्यूड के ऊपर वाला जो भूकंप है वो जो माउंटेन फ्रंट तक आता है मतलब जहाँ जड पहाड़ बोलते हैं जैसे पहाड़ एंड प्लेन मीट करता है वहाँ तक वो भूकंप का एविडेंसेस मिलता है। स्टडी क्यों ज़रूरत है ये स्टडी से पता लग जाएगा कितनी बार कितने सालों में और 500 साल।
Runner-up of Miss Uttarakhand, Srishti Pathak welcomed warm-hearted in Bajpur. On the occasion, people said that they feel blessed and she brings fame for the district and moreover, she belongs from the middle family and without family support, she still reaches the sky.
A very great feeling, it can't be described. हर लड़की का सपना होता है बचपन से कि वो एक ब्यूटी क्वीन बने। किसी को प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है किसी को नहीं मिलता है तो आई वर्कड हार्ड एंड आई एक्चुअली मेड माई ड्रीम ट्रू तो आई एम फीलिंग रियली वेरी हैप्पी। इससे और ऊपर एक्चुअली मैं एक्टिंग करना चाहूँगी उसके लिए मैं सोच रही हूँ मुंबई जाने का देखूँ आगे क्या होता है डेस्टिनी।
Attacking the Congress and other parties which are opposing demonetization, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Monday, the corrupt are upset while the poor are enjoying a sound sleep after his decision and urged people to bear some inconvenience to root out graft. Modi was in Gazipur where he flagged weekly Shabd Bedi Superfast Express and inaugurated the newly constructed perishable cargo center. BSP chief Mayawati on Monday attacked Modi government over demonetization and said the government decision has made life tough for the poor.
वो कितना भ्रष्टाचार के ऊपर अंकुश लगाने के मामले में तो अपने लिए वो कितने साफ सुथरे हैं वो कितना उसके ऊपर अमल करते हैं पहले ये तो बताएं। और आज की जो गाजीपुर की रैली हुई बुरी तरीके से फेल हुई है और 1 लाख लोग भी पूरी ताकत लगाकर 1 लाख लोग भी इकट्ठे नहीं हो पाए। मुश्किल से 20-25 हजार लोग इकट्ठे हो पाए जबकि पूरे बिहार की ताकत रेल फ्री कर दी बसें फ्री कर दी दिहाड़ी में लोग लाए गए और पूरी ताकत लगाकर ये रैली की और रैली बुरी तरीके से फ्लॉप हुई है फेल हुई है। ये किसी
Backed by the Uttarakhand High Court order terming the strike of guest teachers illegal, the Education Department has asked these teachers to return back to their duties. The Secondary Education Director R.K. Kuwar has directed the guest teachers to return to work failing which action would be initiated against them as directed by High Court. Tourist from Bengal, Gopal, was badly injured when Ramaj from Mansa Devi Hillock came down crumbling over him while he was sitting in a shop at Harkipori located at the foothill. The wounded has been admitted to the district hospital and the doctors say he is out of danger now. During the Diwali celebration in the year 2012, the Doon Valley lost one of its more well-loved resident, author Nargis Dalal, who was also known as Middle's Queen. For her distinguished middle articles in newspapers, she passed away on November 13, 2012. As quietly as she had lived, simply, softly and gently, she had turned 92 in June that year. Nargis Dalal has been writing for over 50 years. She is the author of 4 novels, a collection of short stories, a book for children, a cookery book, a best-selling book on yoga, a collection of medals that appeared over 3 decades in the Times of India, the Statesman and the Hindustan Times, the other national newspapers too. Several of her short stories have been broadcast over the BBC and published in anthologues in India, UK and Australia too. Nargis Dalal lived in Vardant Rajpur in the Doon Valley. Her younger daughter Roshan was with her when she passed away at the military hospital in Dehradun. Six female students of HNB Garhwal Central University have accused one of the teachers, who is also a judo instructor, of sexual harassment. They have blamed Rajesh Nautiyal of inappropriate touch, using lewd language and providing judo training to them in a loaded state. These girls were getting training in judo under the women's cell of the university. Hundreds of residents, including school children and elderly, participated in the Green Marathon organized by the Uttarakhand Forest Development Corporation and Indian Forest Service Association in Dehradun on Sunday. The marathon started from Gandhi Park at 8 am and was flagged off by Chief Minister Harish Rawat in the presence of Forest Minister Dinesh Agrawal. The theme of the 15-kilometer Green Marathon was environmental protection. After the Ab Ki Baar Trump Sarkar slogan, once again Trump took a decision which is reflecting Prime Minister Narendra Modi's view. Trump said that after his oath ceremony as US 45th president, he will not take a leave and he will only take $1 as his salary. US president get $4 lakh, approximately 25 crore rupees per month as a salary. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Japan organized various exchange programs, Japan East Asia Network of Exchange for Student and Youth being one of them. Under this program, 2016-2008, deserving students from India will be participating in a student exchange program in Japan. In a good news for the language enthusiastic in the state, among these students are 3 credible youth from Department of Japanese Studies from Doon University from Dehradun. That's all in this English bulletin. For more updates, keep watching HNN 24/7.